This short movie shows various different ways that you can debug Visual Designer projects. The design uses an Arduino Uno with a Grove ultrasonic rangefinder, a terminal, and LCD display. Our test program reads the results from the ultrasonic sensor, writes it to the terminal, and then formats the message for the LCD display. We can set a breakpoint from the right-click context menu on the flowchart block. Pressing the play button will then run the simulation until the breakpoint is reached. We can now see our program with a highlight on the current block and a variable display at the bottom of the screen. The program can be single-stepped, either via the debugging icons at the top or with the F10 keyboard shortcut. As we step through the program, we can see the results of the code execution on the rest of the circuit via the active pop-ups on the right-hand side. When we have finished stepping, the breakpoint can be removed from the context menu and the stop button will return us to editing mode. With Visual Designer, you can also choose to debug the source code instead of the flowchart blocks. Simply right-click on the project and select the Debug Generated Code option from the context menu. Then run the simulation and press pause at any time to view the source code. We can set a breakpoint here by double-clicking on the relevant line of code. This time, we'll look at what the program does when we go out of range, so we set our breakpoint, resume the simulation, and advance the distance on the active pop-up display until we hit the breakpoint. Now we can single step exactly as before and watch the results on the active pop-ups. We can even choose to single step the AVR assembly language, and there are many additional debugging tools available from the menu.